Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Myra Amjad. Welcome to Century Press and Publishers. Dear students, are you enjoying your learning? Okay, I hope you are enjoying your learning. And you know what? Today we are going to do some activities. Yes, आज हमने कुछ मज़े की activities करनी है. तो let's look at your page. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है कि इस एक्टिविटी के अंदर we have to write the words. Okay बच्चों, हमने पिक्चर को देखना है और इनके वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है. जैसे what is this? It is zebra. Okay, अब आप देखें कि इसके अंदर हमने क्या लिखना है. It's E. Okay, Z-E-B-R-A. तो आपने यहाँ पे E लिख के इसको कंप्लीट करना है. Okay, now what is next? It is yarn. What is next? It is yarn. What is missing in it? Yes, it's A. Okay, so you have to write A. And the next is, yes, it's when. और इसके अंदर क्या चीज मिसिंग है? V A N. When. तो यहाँ पे A मिसिंग है, तो आपने इसके अंदर A लिखना है. Okay, let's move to our next activity. Okay, इसके अंदर हमने initial sound लिखने हैं. So, what is this? It's apricot. And you know what is the initial sound of apricot? It's apricot. Very good. So, यहाँ पे आपने A लिखना है. Next है telephone. And what is the initial sound of telephone? It's telephone. Very good. It's T. So, आपने यहाँ पे T लिखना है. Next is umbrella. Yes. And what is the initial sound? Okay, come on, tell me. Yes, it's U, umbrella. So, write U here. Okay, now what is this? This is a tractor. This is a tractor. And what is the initial sound? Tractor. Very good. So, आपने यहाँ पे T लिखना है ना interesting activities? I hope you enjoyed these activities. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.